When I first was told that I was going to be running a project in Revizto, my first reaction was, no thank you. And currently where I sit after utilizing Revizto for the last year and a half, I don't want to do another project not using Revizto. We've struggled for the last few years getting the field to adopt a 3D tool that helped them with creating with information so that they would have a successful installation, and the adoption from the field and superintendents has been seamless. The field team currently is utilizing the model without having to call and ask questions that used to be meetings that would take up time away from modeling and going towards the project. And now they're able to log in, see the status of issues, where we're at with RFIs, where we're at with different issues, and also finding and creating items in the issue tracker that can help the VDC team align better with the field. Revizto definitely was not something the field was interested in looking at. And then I start with the beginner training, and then once they get familiar and have confidence in using the software, then we start escalating and adding additional workflows that help them to reduce labor hours in the field. The field is really adapting it quicker than I even anticipated myself.